Good morning. Today I'm taking myself out on a date. I think I'm gonna put this up on Valentine's Day. And with that being said, I've kind of perfected the art of this. I love going out by myself. If you're scared to do it, this is your sign. You got this. All right, let's get the day started. Okay, I just got ready. Kind of running late. Let's go. If I see anything pretty, I'll whip out the camera. Everything is so green. This is insane.
So the audio got very messed up, so I'm gonna pop in every once in a while. I was just mentioning how I used to come here so much as a kid, and it was feeling so nostalgic, and it was so great to be back.
All these butterflies flying around makes me so happy.
I found very interesting. I usually like to find little vases and things and choose what are my favorite pieces that I wish I could put in my own home. But these are a few of those. Yeah, that looks like the thing from Harry Potter to me. I don't know if anyone else sees that. Anyway. And sled. So I just met these people and I have a question to ask you guys. What's something that made you smile today?
Smile today? Something that made me smile. This moment right here.
Aww.
The beauty of this garden. Honestly.
Yeah.
Today is sunshine today.
Fantastic
Yeah.
views all around.
Cool. Thanks, guys. Appreciate it.
This has been pretty fun.
I was reflecting on how art is just such a beautiful experience and how as humans we admire art and love creativity and how important it is that we have creativity in our lives, and I just find that to be so beautiful.
Well, that was fun. I'm done there now. I'm gonna head to the beach because it's such a beautiful day out. So I'm moving on to my next location. I was originally just gonna go home, or I was gonna go get something to eat, but to be honest, I'm not very hungry. I've been snacking on the chips that I have in my car. I think I'm just gonna go to the beach for a little while and then head back. So yeah. That's the Getty Villa. If you're visiting, I feel like it's a cute little hidden gem and you get to see Malibu from a really cool view. But honestly, it's not the best museum in the world. Remakes of Greek stuff, not actually Greek architecture. I mean, it's Greek architecture. It's not like real Greek pieces. It's just like mimicking it. It's still cool. There's still some cool things about it. A lot of people just go just to take pictures. So, you know, keep that in mind. We're gonna head to the beach now. Yay. There's so many cute surfer boys. I wish I brought my board. I'm kind of scared to go back out in the water, to be honest. We had like this crazy storm come through and it's like just changed all my favorite breaks so much. But I know I'll get back in there. Here's a reminder to do that one thing that scares you. I'm gonna have to do that. Just go for a little surf. Catch one wave, that is a win, you know? Flavors. They like change out the flavors. I got a strawberry matcha one and that one looks really good. The other ones are for my mom. This is like our family favorite. Okay, cheers. Here's the matcha strawberry one. Today I literally can't get better. It's made out of taro and it's a Hawaiian owned business. And yeah, oh my god, this is amazing. I was thinking of watching the sunset because it happens in like 15 minutes, but to be honest, I don't really want to. I don't really care. So I'm just gonna go home. Thank you so much for watching. This was my little date I took myself on. I'm just gonna be driving home, listening to some Bad Bunny. Enjoying the sunset while I drive, paying attention, because LA drivers out here be going crazy. Enjoy the drive. You loved it. I hope this gave you some inspiration. Go take yourself out on a date. Do it. We have a great Valentine's Day. I hope it's everything that you want and imagined. And if it's not, don't even worry, because it's a made-up holiday anyway. The relationship with you and yourself gotta be amazing. You know what that means? It means taking care of yourself.